Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming accounts. Sign into your Rockstar Social Club and your Xbox Live account in a browser or console. Once logged in, launch GTA V on PC and open the pause menu. Go to Online, then Game Settings. Choose the option to link a social club account and pick Xbox when the prompt appears. You're doing this now because linking connects progression and entitlements. Make sure the accounts shown match the Xbox gamer tag you want associated. Once you select Xbox, an authorization window appears. You must allow Rockstar to access your Xbox profile. Read and accept the requested permissions so progress, purchases, and entitlements can sync between platforms. Confirm the gamer tag and email are correct before finalizing. Mismatches cause later issues. After granting access, wait for the confirmation message in-game. If the window blocks, try switching focus to the browser or signing in again. Note any error codes shown for troubleshooting. After authorization, restart GTA V so the cloud sync can complete and your Xbox entitlements populate. Make sure you see expected content in online. If linking fails, unlink any prior connections in your social club settings, clear launcher cache, and repeat the process. This resolves most account conflicts. Also verify Xbox Live and Rockstar service status in case of outages. If you still hit errors, write down the error code and contact Rockstar support with both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.